Alright, here we go. What's up, guys? It's Nathan here. Today I have a little firework thing here and this shell, and I'm going to try to make a little firecracker type thing out of it. So yeah, here we go. Alright, I have some powder here, and I'm going to put it in the shell, which is going to be hard to do one-handed, so I'll be right back. Alright, now all the powder's in there. I'm going to stick the fuse in. Down in there. Alright, now I'll crimp the end and then I'll go light it. Alright, there it is. The end is crimped and the fuse is in there, so now let's go light it and see what it does. Alright, now we're going. Here we go. Alright.
Yeah, probably not.
Good, the camera's okay. Looks like it burned the wood. It's pretty much just gone now. Huh, that was cool.